Meet the incredible Takishima Mika, a 93-year-old fitness instructor from Japan who continues to inspire people with her vitality and energy. As Japan's oldest fitness instructor, she remains active and sets a powerful example for us all. You might be curious about how she stays so healthy and energetic at her age. Well, we're about to explore Takishima's daily routine and diet to uncover her secrets. Each day, Takishima wakes up before 4 a.m., drinks a glass of water, and starts her exercise routine. At 4 a.m., she walks 4 kilometers, then jogs 3 kilometers in the opposite direction, followed by another 1-kilometer walk. This 2-hour workout is an impressive way to kick off her day. After completing her morning exercise, she sits down for breakfast around 7 o'clock in the morning. Her breakfast is a well-balanced meal rich in proteins and fermented foods that provide her with probiotics. Let's explore the specific items in her breakfast. Let's discuss her favorite breakfast. Secret Japanese food for anti-aging. Takishima eats at every meal. One of the key staples in Takishima Mika's diet is natto, a traditional Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans. Known for its slimy, sticky, and stringy texture, natto is packed with nutrients and is extremely popular in Japan. While the smell might surprise newcomers, just 100 grams of natto provides 67% of the daily value for manganese, 48% for iron, and 27% for magnesium and zinc. It also offers moderate levels of vitamin K, calcium, potassium, and selenium. Natto contains more probiotics than non-fermented soybeans, which helps reduce digestive discomfort and improves nutrient absorption. Despite its unique flavor and texture, natto is easy to make at home with soybeans and fermented soybean powder. It can also be found at Japanese food stores. Along with natto, Takishima enjoys yogurt, which is high in calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. Yogurt also provides a good dose of B vitamins, including B12 and riboflavin, which may help protect against heart disease and certain neural tube birth defects. A single cup provides 28% of your daily phosphorus, 10% for magnesium, and 12% for potassium, minerals crucial for blood pressure regulation, metabolism, and bone health. Takishima pairs yogurt with honey to balance out the strong flavor of natto. Her typical breakfast includes a refreshing salad with seasonal lettuce, broccoli, tomatoes, and lean ham, cooked without oil, offering a balanced intake of fiber, vitamins, and protein. She also enjoys Japanese pickles, particularly nukazuke, a type of pickle fermented in roasted rice bran, salt, and kombu, kelp. These crisp, tangy pickles are rich in lactobacillus, which aids digestion. Even in between meals, Takishima remains active. Whether she's watching TV or relaxing at home, she ensures her posture is perfect, sitting with a straight back and engaged core. She even walks around the house on her tiptoes, an inspiring example of how to incorporate movement into daily life. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Takishima Mika's lunch is simple yet effective. She keeps it light and refreshing with just a banana and a probiotic drink called Yakult. By not overeating during lunch, Takishima avoids feeling sluggish or tired throughout the day. The banana is a great source of potassium, providing about 9% of the daily recommended intake. Potassium-rich foods like bananas help regulate blood pressure by promoting the excretion of excess sodium. Additionally, bananas contain prebiotics, which feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, making them a perfect complement to Yakult. Yakult, also known as Yakuruto, is a sweetened probiotic milk beverage that contains a specific strain of beneficial bacteria, Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota. This combination of banana and Yakult promotes digestive health and supports a balanced gut microbiome. For those concerned about blood sugar, eating a less ripe banana is an option to reduce its glycemic impact. Takishima's lunch strategy offers a light yet nutritious boost that keeps her energized without feeling weighed down. Taking inspiration from her, we can all benefit from a lunch that is both simple and nourishing, providing essential nutrients without overindulging. Now, let's talk about Takishima's hearty dinner, which she enjoys after a long day of teaching fitness classes. She understands the importance of refueling her body with a healthy, balanced meal to end her day on a high note. Takishima Mika's typical dinner is a perfect example of a balanced and nutrient-rich meal. It consists of lean protein, including fish and chicken thigh curry with carrots, served with rice that is cooked with salmon flakes. She also incorporates tofu, boiled spinach, Korean kimchi, and natto into her meal. A lettuce salad with tomatoes and chicken, without dressing, complements the spread, along with a bowl of miso soup, beans, and raikyo, pickled Japanese scallion. Each element on her plate serves a particular function in keeping her healthy and energized. Lean protein from fish and chicken provides essential nutrients to repair and build muscle after a physically active day. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart health and reduces inflammation. Chicken is a great low-fat protein source, helping to maintain muscle mass and support weight management. Rice with salmon flakes adds extra protein and omega-3s while giving the meal additional flavor and texture. Tofu is a powerhouse of plant-based protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, along with high levels of calcium, iron, and other important nutrients. Boiled spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. Korean kimchi, a fermented food, is rich in probiotics that support gut health and digestion. Natto makes another appearance at dinner. It contains nattokinase, an enzyme that may help thin the blood and prevent clots, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease and strokes. Lettuce and tomato salad with chicken offers a fresh and crunchy addition, loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By skipping the dressing, Takishima keeps the calories low while avoiding unnecessary fats and sugars. Miso soup, made from fermented soybeans, provides a warm, comforting element and is rich in probiotics, essential amino acids, and minerals. Takishima's dinner is a well-rounded, nutritious meal that combines various sources of protein, vegetables, fermented foods, and whole grains. Her thoughtful approach to meals helps her stay healthy and strong, allowing her to continue teaching fitness classes well into her 90s. Her example shows us the importance of prioritizing health through mindful eating.